how to enable or disable camera and microphone access if you don't need on your Android 15. In the latest Android device, you can easily allow or block the camera and microphone access if you don't want to use it. So to enable or disable it, open the app drawer on your phone, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap the security and privacy on your Android device. Again scroll down. Here you can find the privacy control option. So different Android device, slightly different settings. So tap on the privacy control. Now here you can find the camera access and microphone access option on your device. So toggle on or toggle off it you want on your device. You can also quickly access on some of the device by swipe down the notification panel from the top, and you can find the camera access and microphone access on a quick setting tile also. Just tap on it to enable or disable or block the camera access or microphone access on your Android 50 and other device. That's it. Please like it, share it.